Welcome to our teacher app. I am your maths teacher. Today we are going to discuss about quadratic equations of class 10th. Now we are going to discuss about quadratic equations. What is a quadratic equation? Quadratic equation is nothing but an equation which is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Otherwise, the highest degree of the equation, if it is 2, we will call it as quadratic equation. Now, equation in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. This is the general notation of the quadratic equation. Now, in this quadratic equation chapter, we will find the roots of the quadratic equation or zeros of the quadratic equation. How to find? Here we will use two methods. One is direct finding with the help of finding these factors. So how to find factors? In an equation it is given, so two methods are there. So suppose 2x square minus 3x plus 1 equal to 0 is there. So here two methods, either converting into the identities, that means ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 means a plus b whole square formula or a minus b whole square formula. If it is able to convert, we can find the factors with the help of the two identities. Otherwise, how to find the x square coefficient and the constant, we will multiply. With the help of that one, we will split into the two values of the central value and we will find factors. So that is another method. So finding the roots of the quadratic equation with two styles. One is converting into identities if it is possible, otherwise direct factorization method. And coming for the next one is in this topic, we will find the roots of the quadratic equation by making into square. That means we will converting into whole square model. That means a plus b whole square or a minus b. Suppose any equation, if it is given like this, the constant will be taken that side. That means 2x square minus 3x is equal to minus 1. Now these two we will convert into complete square method. See here, this method is a complete square method. So by completing square method, we will convert these two values into a minus b whole square or a plus b whole square. So in order to convert that one, these two we have to divide whole equation, so that you will get x square minus 3 by 2x is equal to minus 1 by 2. Now these two we can convert, see, x whole square and minus 2 and a is x. So we have to convert this product into 3 by 2 form, so that you will get a 3 by 4. So that 3 by 4, this side whole square is equal to 1 by 2 plus 3 by 4 whole square. So if you convert this one entire equation, we will get the zeros of the given equation or quadratic polynomial. So these are the two ways. First way is directly finding the roots, and this is completing square method we have to find. Now in this chapter, quadratic equations, in what fields we are going to use this quadratic equation means, see, the discussion of this optical glasses. See, in this also the quadratic equations will be involved while preparing these glasses. And when the earth rotates around the sun, in that also, in the rotation, the quadratic equation will be discussed. And when the motion of the rocket, if you take opposite to the earth, it will move forward direction. So in that motion also, the motion of the rocket also, this quadratic equations topic will be involved. So in various topics or in various fields, the quadratic equations are involved. And now the quadratic equations is the easiest way, whether the quadratic equation, what type of roots it will contain. See here, the quadratic equation will get two roots because the highest power is 2. Now suppose you take ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. What type of roots will you have? See, roots will be divided into three types. The first one is real and unequal. Next one is real and equal. And finally, last one is non-real or not real, otherwise not real, otherwise the numbers which we are unable to find, that numbers will be. So now how to find these three categories means, you take the value b square minus 4ac, that is called here discriminant. discriminant is noted as with a delta, and it is formed as b square minus 4ac. So if the b square minus 4ac value if you find, see here a value, b value, c value are there. Whatever the equation it is given, that you compare with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, so that you will get a value, b value, c value. Now all the three values you substitute in this one. Suppose if you get this is greater than 0, that means the general numbers, that means 29, 35 or like that, a positive number if you get, that is considered as greater than 0. If you get equal to 0, real and equal, that means both roots will be same, 2 and 2, 3 and 3, like that you will get. And coming for the last one, the not real roots will be less than 0. That means here you will get a minus value. When you find b square minus 4ac value, you will get a minus value, that are called not real roots. So the roots are divided into three types with the help of this discriminant. If you find the discriminant value, if you get a positive number, it is a real and unequal. That means two values, either 2 and 3 or 3 and 7, like that, two roots you will get. And equal to 0 means same, both reals, both the two roots will be the same. And coming for the last one, the two will not be real numbers or real roots. So these are the main topics covered in this topic.